My dear students of 8th class, today again I am going to deliver the lesson on history. The first unit of 8 history of 8th class is how, when and why. And the question which I am going to elaborate today, आज जो मैं हिस्ट्री पे जिस सवाल का मैं एलोब्रेशन देना चाहता हूँ, जिस सवाल की मैं तफसील आपके सामने देना चाहता हूँ, वो है प्यारे बच्चों, व्हाई डिड ब्रिटिश प्रिजर्व ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स। इसका मतलब है कि बरतानिया वाले व्हेन ब्रिटिश वेयर गवर्निंग ऑन इंडिया, व्हेन इंडिया वाज अंडर द क्लचेस ऑफ ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, व्हेन इंडिया वाज अंडर द क्लचेस ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल, then why the Britishers were in need of preserving the official documents? The answer for that is the British believed that by preserving official documents, it would be easier for them. It would be easier for them or any other person to know about the decisions, to know about the decisions taken in the past. One can study the notes and reports that were prepared in the past. Their copies may be prepared and used in the present time if needed so. It means that suppose the past rulers, keeping apart the British rulers, if any past ruler has administered the country or any part of the world in a good way, in a statesmanship way, then automatically the present administrators can use them, can use these ways and means in which they administered the country in the past. Therefore, the British believed that by preserving official documents, it would be easier for them. It was very easy for them if they preserved the documents, or any other person to know about the decisions taken in the past. One can study the notes and reports that were prepared in the past. Their copies may be prepared and used in present time if needed so. Similarly, likewise, we have some objective type questions too here. The first objective type question is, a history of British India was written by. There is a question, it is additional question, it's objective type question. There are 4 options for that. In the 4 options, we have to choose one option. Suppose a history of British India was written by number 1, Charles Darwin. My dear students, so far as Charles Darwin is concerned, Charles Darwin was a biologist, a naturalist, and he was also an evolutionist. Therefore, this is not the right answer for that. Secondly, we have James Mill. It was James Mill who wrote the in British history. The proper answer for that is James Mill. C part, we have Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a physicist. He gave the MC square. Therefore, this is also not apt for that. Thomas Hardy, he was an English novelist and poet. Now the proper answer for that is History of British India was written by James Mill. The second part, we have the first Governor General of India was Lord Dalhousie, Lord Mountbatten, Lord William Bentinck, Warren Hastings.